in a world where everything has gone digital, from online shopping to ride sharing, there is one thing that remains overlooked, and that is access to water. There is no centralized system that connects water factories directly with the consumers. So, good morning everyone. I'm Kritika and I'm excited to talk about the project Jalsewa. So, initially we did this project for the ideating startup module. So, today we'll talk to you guys about this project by analyzing the problem and then talking about the objective and challenges and the features and finally marketing strategy and future enhancement. So, we can see that these kind of vehicles roaming around the streets. So what they do is they are given with a certain number of water jars, and what they do is they roam around the streets from one grocery shops to another grocery shops, selling their water, and they keep roaming until and unless they completed their target. And we are unaware about the quality of water that we are getting. We usually when we order water jars, we take it from the nearest grocery store, but we are unaware about the where it came from and unaware about the quality also. So there is no centralized system where the user can order water directly from the water factories on a daily basis, creating the missing connection between consumer and supplier. So we came up with Jalsewa for this project. Jalsewa is a mobile application that connects consumers with trusted water service providers. So how Jalsewa works? There are two types of user in Jalsewa. One is supplier and another is consumer. Supplier are water factories. They can add the water bottle, water jar or tanker they are providing to the consumers, and they can update the water quality and the price of the water that they have, and the consumer can order water from the water supplier by looking at their price and quality. So the main objective of this project is to bridge the gap between the consumers and suppliers by giving the consumer the right to choose which brand of water to consume and to provide a door-to-door services. So the features of this project is real-time ordering. A consumer can order water anytime they want, and they can compare the price between two different factories, and they can compare the quality also. So they can order the water from the supplier, and they can track their delivery after they order the water. So these are our target audience. We have urban household. In household, people usually order water in a small quantity, a jar, or if they want a tanker to fill their reserve tank, they can order a tank of water. But business offices, restaurants and hotels and educational institutions, we need water in a bulk amount. Usually when we order in a 20 or 30 jars at a time. So these are our target audience. So what we do is we create a direct link between the water factories and the customer. And even the grocery shops which retails the water jars, they can use this application to order the water so they can retail it. So to technical part, Ryung will describe it.
Here is the design of our Jalsewa application, and this is the customer's side of design. Here is the order history of the customers along with the company name and its address. Also, the customer's order history along with their order status will be listed out, so they can know that what their order is going through. Also, if they wish to order, they can go and order. Then the water suppliers page will come out, and then they can select their water supplier according to the name, and also they can view the details of the suppliers if they wish. Yeah, like supplier details will be very detailedly listed of the supplier's logo, name, address, and the details of the suppliers, along with their address and the reviews from other customers as well. And then, to book an water, to order a water, the customer will be then led to the book appointment page, where they can select the time and the date of their order. And also in the item they can select what type of water or water type they want to order, like water bottle, water jar, and water tanker. Here we mean water tanker is 2000 liters of water, a single tanker. And after that they can set their location which they want their water to be delivered. And also after that they have a list of payment they can go through, like a card system for credit and debit, and along with digital payment like IIMS, Khalti, and also there is an option for cash on delivery. And after hitting next, they will be redirected to order receipt section, where their selected water supplier name, logo, and the order details, like the time of delivery, duration, and type of booking. Is it for self or is it for someone else? Along with the amount and quantity and the payment method as well. Here, this is the design for the suppliers. The suppliers will have an order history from the customers who have ordered, like customer name, their address, and if the supplier once wishes to update their prices, their water prices, they can go to update services. Then they will be sent to update services section, where they can edit their water prices, like a water bottle. Like here, for an example, it's 20 rupees per liter, and for water jar, it's 80 rupees. And for a single water jar will contain like 50 liters. It's clearly will be written over there, and along with the water tanker. And the set location over here is the supplier's address. And also, before presentation, there was a customer list. If the suppliers enters the customer list, they can see the customer details, their type of order, along with their address. And after, the supplier then needs to accept the order or cancel. If it's accept the order, then the last presentation's customer order list will be updated if it's selected or cancelled. And after that, this completed will be like 4 sections, like of ongoing, pending, cancelled, or completed. Supplier can adjust with it. And for the marketing and sales strategy, we have digital marketing, community engagement, and referral programs. This will boost our visibility in the market and also enhance our sales. Also, there is a customer support for in case our user base has some problems, or even as suppliers, we have a 24/7 customer support, both through apps and call lines. And this is our roadmap. First of all, we are looking to gather a 1,500 user base within the first 6 months of launch. After that, also along with that, we are also ensure that at least 10 verified water suppliers will be registered on our application. Then also we will be expecting at least 80% positive ratings and reviews for our brand. And also we will be highly developing a seamless payment gateway, which will be very seamless transaction, so that the transaction between customers and suppliers won't be affected. And also we are aiming for expansion to at least 3 major cities, like Pokhara, Dharan for an example. And also we are expecting to cover at least 30% of the market share on the water delivery services industry. And for the future enhancements, we have warehouse, ML algorithm, and partnering with the existing third-party services. This is mainly done to reduce the delivery times. By keeping warehouses, we will reduce the distance between the customer and the suppliers. Any questions?